This program was made possible by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
PBS Kids!
He's big, fun, and friendly, all in one great red package. Stay tuned for Clifford the Big Red Dog.
Coming up next on WETA Kids.
This is my sandbox and I just wanna dig along. Got my shovel, got my pail. There's no way I can fail to soothe my soul and dig a great big hole in my heart. Sandbox, this is my. Like I said, this is our sandbox. This is our sandbox.
You're watching WETA Kids on WETA Washington.
Local broadcast of Clifford is made possible in part by WETA members and by White House Apple products.
1 apple, 2 apple, 3 apple, 4. 5 apples, 6 apples, 7 apples more. White House applesauce and juice. Natural nutrition for the kid and all of us.
Clifford is funded in part by a ready-to-learn television cooperative agreement from the U.S. Department of Education through the Public Broadcasting Service.
You to another healthy serving of good things to grow on. Clifford on PBS, where the fun of learning is kid-tested, mother-approved.
All kinds of wonderful things happen when you play together. That's why we believe in and proudly support PBS Kids TV. Chutes and Ladders, one of the My First games from Milton Bradley.
Chuck E. Cheese's. Proud supporters of PBS Kids, opening the door to all the fun and joy of learning. PBS Kids, where a kid can be a kid.
And by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and from viewers like you.